Hey, what's going on, guys? Good morning, it's Greg. Hey, so today I want to go over and do a quick Forex video about how to use your price range tool on Forex.com. And with this price range tool will pretty much show you guys how to measure the up and down movement of your candlesticks, right? So right now we have the candlesticks up, and if you want to actually measure how far the market has moved from here to here, instead of actually trying to add it up, you would just use the price range indicator and go from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. So you go down, scroll down right here, click on the side, you see you have all these different tools, right? Long position, short positions, forecast, so on and so forth. Date and range, price range. So you're gonna click on your price range indicator. So in this case, if you want to measure how far Euro USD has went up from its bottom right here on this particular date on up to its top right here, you would just click and then you will bring it up, and you see it's highlighted, right? You can change the style in terms of how it looks. It's just how I have mine, and you actually can bring it over just to cover it. And to make it easier for you, you actually can move your screen up, just scroll up just like that, so you can get a better look. I move it over so I can get a better look at where I'm getting to. And so what I have right here is 197 pips, right? So I like to click on arrows. So I have 197 pips. So that's what it's saying. It did a 197 pip move from bottom to top. And as you can see, we have a red candle right here that's forming, actually going down. And so at this time, if we wanted to confirm our movement, we can easily just go here in here and we'll click right there. Actually, we'll take it back up. And you guys can actually lock it just by doing that. Click on lock so it won't move. But if you wanted to, you can click on buy, and just to confirm everything, you can click on limit buy, and it actually clicked off of what it was doing. There it is. So you look right here, it has your movement 119,518 up to 121,487. And the only thing you're gonna do is type in the actual prices, right? So we highlight it and we type in 119,518. So we have that in, and then we're gonna click on take profit and price, and then we're gonna change that to 121,487. And you click right here, this particular thing, we said we have 196.9 pips, or it's rounded up to 197 pips, right? So that's pretty much what it's telling you. So it's pretty much right on the money, pretty accurate. And that's pretty much it. You just verified how many pips it went up. So if you want to do the opposite, only thing you would do is unlock it, and in this case you would just go down with it, and you see the down arrow right here, right? So in this case, even if you want to stop, and you can just keep going down with it. And the only time you would use the down arrow if you was trying to measure how far it went down. But believe it or not, whether it's up or down, regardless, it's gonna be about the same, right? So we don't have the numbers matched up exactly right, but as you can see, it's giving you a negative, right? Negative 197.4. So if you're going down, the measurement from here to here, 197.4, and that would pretty much measure your down movement. So when I would use this down one would be if I was going from here, let's say, to here, or from here to there. And I'll actually go ahead and do a quick demonstration, right? So we're gonna take a look. We're gonna click on the tool again, and then instead of starting down here, we're gonna start up here. And then we're just gonna take it down. So if I want to look at the entire movement, I would just do that. And then you'll click back off, right? So from the top to the bottom, we've moved negative 397.5 pips from the top to the bottom. And obviously we've moved up 100, I think it was 197 pips from the bottom to this little mid section right here. So it's an easy task. Hopefully I taught you guys something. Remember to like, subscribe, comment on the channel. Guys, really appreciate it. Have a good one.